Hey everybody, I'm Jeff. This is East Texas ADV. Hey, I'm glad you're all here with me tonight. Today's video, we're going to unbox a couple parts that I ordered from Cycle Gear. So, you're all excited? Let's dive into the box and see what we got. All right, here we go, guys. My order from Cycle Gear. I know what it is. Can anybody else figure it out? Big whopping 70 bucks. So, real quick backstory on this. I just wanted to get the Keurig tie-down loops for the luggage, and they were 45 bucks. Well, Cycle Gear makes you pay shipping for it on anything under $47. So, you know what? I had to add something else in here. What did I add? Check it out. Dynaplug Micro Pro Inflator. These things work flipping awesome. And we're gonna do a quick little breakdown of this real quick, but first I'm gonna put it to the side. And here we go. Keurig, the OS rack loops. These things go on your rear fender. I guess you could put them on your front fender as well, or anywhere else there's plastic that you can bolt them to. They show kind of an example. That's probably the 12-liter bag. I got a set of 18-liter bags for Christmas that I'm going to use as tail bags. Again, great idea. We're going to do an install on these a couple days. But first, what's this right here? A special gift for you. Delivery. Okay, since when does Cycle Gear throw in a voucher for 100 bucks for wine? Okay. All right. Well, who knows? All right. Anyways. All right. So, Dynaplug Micro Pro Inflator. I used one of these things when I had the pinch flat and it broke my ribs. A couple of you guys probably saw the accident, the crash. If not, I will put it down in the description below. Also, if you haven't had a chance yet, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for future notifications. So, when I hit that rock and had the pinch flat, I was in pretty rough shape. A buddy had one of these things and used it to air up the tire. Works fantastic. He told me about it. You know, I was kind of like on the fence, you know, because they were like 50 bucks. Then they were 39. Well, Cycle Gear has them on sale right now for $29.95. The old ones had the power source. It was just like the old 12-volt cigarette ladder adapter. The new Dynaplug supposedly has fixed that problem. So basically, there's how they fixed it right there. We call it an SAE to SAE cord. Looks like it's about 6 feet long. All right, so let's see what we got. So now this is the new power lead. It looks to be plenty long enough. They say it's 6 feet long. I mean, that's awesome. Then you got your hose right here. Okay, it's not too awful long. That's probably about a foot long. Like I said, they really changed it up when they changed this. So now you can plug it in, okay? And then you can run this to where your battery tender goes, which is a great deal because 6 foot of cord, man, you're going to be able to reach everything. On-off switch. I mean, these things work phenomenal. So this end's opened. Okay, that's what makes this really cool. So this is the hose end right here. You twist that on there and get it set. When you put this on the valve stem of the bike, with this one, you don't have to take this hose off the tube. You don't have to unhook it to check it. Here's your Schrader valve right there. All you do, put your air pressure gauge right here, get a reading. If it's under or over, you can let air out here, or you turn it back on and continue to pump it up. That is a really neat little feature. They are lightweight, they're easy to pack, they take hardly up any space. I mean, if you look, I mean, that's nothing. So Anyway, like I said, if you can get a chance, man, Cycle Gear has these things on sale right now for $29.99, 30 bucks. You don't have to worry about carrying CO2 or anything like that, but strongly recommend one of these things. Fantastic product. Use my buddies. Happier to have my own for the 690, and it'll even fit in the tail bag of the 350. Anyways, that's tonight's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you haven't had a chance, mash that sub button. Hit that bell for future notifications. And as always, thanks for watching.